Chatter. Chatter. When people chatter, they talk fast about unimportant things. The boys chatter about the game on the way home. Now you say chatter. Chatter. Swift. Swift. Swift means moving quickly. The swift horse galloped in the meadow. Now you say swift. Swift. Peer. Peer. When you peer at something, you look very closely at it. The girl will peer into the telescope to look at the moon. Now you say peer. Peer. Stumble. Stumble. When you stumble, you lose your balance and trip. I stumble on the sidewalk. Now you say stumble. Stumble. Slippery. Slippery. When something is slippery, it is very smooth or wet and hard to stand on or hold on to. This bar of soap is too slippery to hold. Now you say slippery. Slippery. Blush. Blush. When you blush, you become red in the face. Grandma's big kiss made the boy blush. Now you say blush. Blush. Startle. Startle. To startle means to surprise. Lightning can startle deer. Now you say startle. Startle. Drench. Drench. When you drench something, you make it completely wet. Heavy rains drench the little girl. Now you say drench. Drench. Dusk. Dusk. Dusk is the time of day just before the sun goes down. The playground closes at dusk. Now you say dusk. Dusk. Doze. Doze. Doze means to sleep lightly for a short amount of time. I began to doze during the movie. Now you say doze. Doze.